back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you're new out here, my name is Hannah May, and today's video is going to be a declutter and reorganize my makeup with me. So I did one of these, I want to say about a year ago now, and you guys seem to really enjoy it. I actually had to do it in two parts as it was quite long, so I'm hoping to fit this one into one video. But yeah, a couple of days ago, I picked up some new makeup storage, and so I thought I would declutter and reorganize my makeup with you guys. As I know, every time I've done this in the past, you guys always seem to enjoy it. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And now, let's get on into the video. Okay, so here we just have my old makeup storage, which, as you can see, has kind of just collapsed. And then I have my makeup bag over here with all of my kind of current makeup in, and then the new storage that I picked up the other day. So I think the way I'm going to do this is just dump all my makeup out on the floor, declutter it, and then obviously reorganize it all into here. So here we have the absolute mess that is all of my makeup, or at least I think this is all of my makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to start going through, taking out some stuff that's expired that I don't really use, and also start categorizing the stuff that, you know, I do use that hasn't expired and that I want to put into my new makeup storage. So yeah, I think I'm going to start by getting rid of these lashes, these tatty lashes, as I don't use them. I've tried them before, but I can just never do lashes. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of these out of my makeup collection. Next, I'm going to get rid of this Beauty Crop blush. It was just a blush duo. This has expired, so that will be going. And like I said, I'm also just going to start kind of taking out all the stuff that hasn't expired. So like this eyeshadow palette is still okay, so I'm gonna just pop that to the side. This one's still fine. Like these single eyeshadows are all still okay. Next, I'm gonna get rid of this LA Splash eyeshadow palette. I never really used this, and I definitely think it will have expired by now, so that is gonna go. Okay, next I'm going to take out this MAC Fix Plus setting spray, as honestly it's nearly all gone, and so I don't see the point in holding on to that. And I have another setting spray, so I'm going to get rid of that. Obviously brushes can stay, so I'm going to take out all the brushes I can find right now and pop those aside. Next I'm going to get rid of this Makeup Revolution Big Lash Mascara. I've pretty much run out of this, and so I need to get a new one, so that's going to go. And then I'm going to get rid of this Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Primer, as I barely use this, but I'm pretty sure it will have expired by now. I only used it, I think, like a handful of times, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm pretty sure this eyeshadow palette will have expired as well, so I'm going to get rid of that too. Then I'm going to get rid of this Smashbox Primer. Again, I use this quite a bit, honestly, but it definitely will have expired, so that has to go. I'm going to get rid of this Milani Metallic Lipstick, as this definitely will have expired by now. I do want to get another one, though, as this is one of my go-to autumn-winter lipsticks. Then, next, I'm going to be getting rid of this Becca Highlighter. I'm honestly, can't open it. I'm honestly so sad I won't be able to buy this again, but I'm pretty sure this is expired, so that has to go. Gonna get rid of all of my Too Faced melted lipsticks. I had a Christmas set of 4, as I'm pretty sure all of those have expired too. Then I'm gonna get rid of this Lime Crime Red lipstick. Again, I've had this for probably about nearly 2 years, so it's definitely time to let this go, and I never really used it anyway. I think I tried it in a vlog, honestly, and then never used it again. Okay, so next I'm going to get rid of this Illamasqua Rehydrating, I think it was like the Hydraville Gel. Honestly, not sure if this was like a skincare product or a primer, but I think I tried it maybe once or twice and then kind of just forgot about it and went to my go-to products, so I'm just going to get rid of that, as that will have expired. Then another thing that will have expired by now is this Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Cream Lip Balm. I did use this quite a bit, honestly, and I did really love it. But like I said, this will have expired by now, so that has to go. I feel like I'm clearing out way more than I thought I would be. Then we have a Becca primer. I used this so much. This was my go-to primer for so long, and again, I'm so sad I can't repurchase. But this has expired, and it has almost run out anyway, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Then I'm gonna get rid of this MAC 3D Black Lash Mascara, as again, I've almost run out, and I have a new mascara that I'm using at the moment. So since this is pretty much run out, I'm gonna get rid of this. Then I'm gonna get rid of this MAC eyeshadow. I've had this for quite a while. I've used it a couple of times. I honestly kind of forgot I had it. This was in the shade Coppering. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure that will have expired. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Then I have a Becca liquid highlighter. I never really used this one. I think I tried it a couple of times, but I mainly used the powder one. But again, this will have expired, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so I have this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've never opened it, but I've had it for like a couple of years. So let me know in the comments if I can still keep this, if I've not used it and I've not really opened it. Next, I'm going to get rid of this Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. I think, again, I tried this in a vlog and then rarely ever used it again, as I'm not the best with liquid eyeliner anymore, so I prefer like a pencil. So yeah, this will have expired. Then, sadly, to get rid of, we have a Huda Beauty lipstick. Again, I've barely used this, but I have tested it, so I assume that counts, and so I should probably get rid of it, as it will have expired. This was just in the shade Wedding Day, I believe, and it just looked like this. I don't know how well you can see it, the lighting isn't the absolute best. But yeah, it was a really stunning lipstick, honestly, and I'm really sad I didn't use it more. And then the final two items that I'm getting rid of that have expired, or that I just don't really use, are this Zoeva Screen Queen highlighter palette. This is just what that looked like. I used this, particularly this shade, quite a bit. Again, I tested it out in a vlog a while ago. But yeah, sadly it would have expired, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, and then the final item that I'm taking out of my makeup collection is this MUA Brow Define. I think I tried this once, so I'm curious as to whether this would still be okay or whether it's still expired because I've used it. So again, if you know, let me know in the comments, as if it's still okay, I might give it to my mum and see if she wants it. But yeah, so I'm going to put that aside for now too. Okay, so now I've decluttered everything. We have all of this that is still okay and needs reorganising, along with my brushes, of course. So yeah, let's get into the reorganising part. Okay, so I realised that I forgot to grab some makeup items. I realised they were missing as I was about to start reorganising. So I'm going to add those to the pile as well. So this is all of my decluttered makeup, ready to reorganise. So now I'm just going to grab the new drawers that I bought and we'll get into trying to reorganise this. Okay, so as you can see, I have the drawers right here. So I'm just going to start by organising all of the makeup that I'm going to put in here into like categories. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly do that. So over here we have brushes. Then I'm going to put my eyeshadow palettes here, as well as mascaras and just general eye products.
Ducky, ducky.
I've just realised I left this sleek loose pigment in there that also will have expired by now, and I've never really used it, so I'm going to take that out. Then I'm going to pop like my face products and stuff here. That'll go with brushes. Lip products over here as well. Just kind of roughly organising all of this so that I have more of an idea when I go to put it in the drawers and everything. Okay, generally categorised, so we're going to just go with that. So now I'm going to start trying to figure out how to put this in the drawers. So I'm going to move everything aside and move the drawers forward for you guys. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the new drawers. If I just lift them up, this is just what they look like. I just picked these up at Wilko. They were literally £8. And I figured they would do for now for some makeup storage. So I'm aware this isn't the absolute best angle, but I'm going to just start organising everything, or at least like trying to. So I'm thinking this big bottom drawer is going to be best for eyeshadow palettes. So I think that's probably a good place to start. So I'm just going to pop my eyeshadow palettes in there. As well as like loose eyeshadows and stuff as well. Okay, I'm not sure if I want to put mascaras and eyeliners and stuff in there just yet, so I'm going to work on the rest before I decide on that. So I'm going to leave that drawer at that for now. I'm thinking my brushes might go in one of these slightly smaller drawers. So I'm going to grab my brushes and pop those and my sponges in there. Okay, they fit perfectly. That's great. I love that. Okay. So they fit perfectly in there. Okay, so now's where I get stuck as to where to put everything else. So I'm going to start by just trying to put primers in one of these smaller ones and then just go from there. Okay, I'm realising how little primer I have now that I've got rid of so many. So I think I'm going to pop primers and like foundation and concealer in here. And maybe my powder too. Does that work? I feel like that works, right? I feel like I've got too much storage. Definitely wasn't expecting that. Okay, then this small one, I think I'm going to go with like bronzer, blush, that type of thing. Maybe highlighters too? I guess, would my highlighters fit in there too? Okay, yeah, my highlighters fit in there too. So that seems to work. I just don't know what to do with this drawer because it's like, now if I put my lipsticks in this drawer, I'm just left with this one. Huh. Yeah, I think I have too much storage. Didn't think this one through, did I? Okay, we're just going to test it as is for now, and then I can always move some stuff around afterwards. Or do I pop like mascara and eyeliners and stuff and brow gel in here and just keep my eyeshadows separate in here? Let's give that a go. So mascara, eyeliners, brow gel. I guess my setting spray could go in there too. And then that still leaves this drawer, and I know I have a lot of lipsticks, but like I still don't think they're going to fill this drawer. But we shall see. Might be surprised. Because it almost filled the drawer, I guess. I don't know what to do. Like, there's so much storage left, and I have nothing else to put in here. Okay, let's go over it. So I've got primers and stuff in here. That seems fine. That seems to fit nicely in there. They fit nicely in there. Is there anything else I could take out of here, maybe? I could maybe separate the loose eyeshadows from the palettes. I don't know. Do I do that instead? Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to maybe move my individual eyeshadows. Maybe, and just have the bottom for palettes. I don't know. I just feel like I have a ton of space left. So I might take this out and try and pop these in here. Yeah, I don't know if I prefer that or not, honestly. Because then I'm still left with a ton of room in this one. So do I put my setting spray in there maybe? Since, you know, lips is generally the last step. And so then setting spray would come next. Yeah, I don't know. Why do I always find it so hard to reorganize my makeup? Okay, let's have a look. So that's all fine in there. They fit nicely in there. I mean, they kind of work there. I just feel like a lot of eyeshadows are getting pushed right to the back. They fit perfect in there. I'm not changing that. I think that's the best I'm going to get. But I don't know whether to move these back, actually. Right, let's move these back and just see how it looks. Because I feel like it makes more sense for them to be with my actual palette, but then that leaves loads of space in there. Okay, do I move this back in here then? Yeah, I think that's the best I'm gonna get. I definitely think I had too much storage rather than just enough. But yeah, so that is my makeup all reorganised. So we have primer, concealer, powder, foundation in there. We have bronzer, blush, highlighter in here. Mascara, eyeliner, brow gel and setting spray in there. Brushes and sponges in here. All of my lipsticks and lip glosses in here. And then finally all my eyeshadow products in the bottom. So yeah, my makeup is now reorganised. Okay, so that is my makeup decluttered and reorganised, which brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up to let me know. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a full makeup collection and storage video. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe right over here and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And I also have a vlog channel you can subscribe to right here if that is something you'll be interested in. I have quite a few vlogs coming up soon. If you would like more content from myself, then you can click here for my last video, which was doing my makeup with my left hand, or you can click here for another makeup video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye!